Here's a quick and easy way that you can make some little extra money on a side hustle. This is only going to take you a few minutes and it's so simple to do. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is we want to go to Fiverr.com. It's right there. Just copy that and put it into your browser. And that's going to take you to a page that looks like this right here. Fiverr. Simple enough to do. Try building a mobile app, search. All right, once you hit search, you're going to enter in for coloring books, and it'll take you to a page like this, and you can tell exactly what you want it to do, what kind of coloring books you want to do. I was just looking through here, and I found this one here that is coloring books for kids, 10,000 plus pages, KDP upload. That's like Kindle publishing ready, so you can put it online and have it downloaded easily. Next, if they take it to that page, we're going to see that right here is this Fiverr person will deliver 4,000 plus pages for a basic order of $5 US. Okay, so that's your total commitment here is $5 US. Once you've done that, simply log into Etsy, and right there you can look at an example right now. And this one here is just a person that's uploaded a coloring book. They're selling it for $12.91 Canadian, so that's about $9 US. And you can see it's 10,850 books that they have sold at $12.91. Now that doesn't mean you're going to make the same types of sales for that, but another one to look at here is there's 40 printable coloring pages. Now they've sold 245 copies of that for really a $5 investment. Now the next thing you can do is, if you don't want to do Etsy, another way you can do it is pop over to Amazon, and Amazon will allow you to do the same thing. You can load up your coloring books onto Amazon and sell them, set your price. It's all digital downloads and very easy for anyone to purchase and very simple. So again, something very easy to do, side hustle that'll make you a little extra cash. Eventually maybe enough to buy some great gifts for yourself. Okay, talk soon. Follow me for more information on how to make money online.